Okay, there's a ruckus in the back of the pasture here. Everybody's going to see what's going on. We're pretty sure one of the heifers had a calf. Let's go see. Look at that little baldy calf. Get out of here, Blondie. Hey, how's it going, Dally? How's it going, huh? Can I have a look? Can I have a look? It's a bull calf. Yeah, it does look pretty new. Yeah. Oh, you're a good mom, Dally. Everybody's super interested. It's exciting. So Sarah's gone to get some tags, and I'm just chilling out here, hanging out with the cows, kind of luring them away from the calf a little bit so they don't mob it. Hey, 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 none of that. Get out of here. We don't need that jazz. So yeah, it's a nice little baldy bull calf. And also while we were down here, we noticed that one of the other heifers had a water bag just starting to come out. So before the end of the day here, we're gonna have 2 calves. But it's a beautiful day to have a calf. They picked a good one. Another thing I noticed while I look here is the fly pressure on the calves is pretty minimal. Like, nobody's really bothered by flies. Some have a few on them. Scarlet there's got a couple on her, but not terrible. And I think that's because I feed them a fortified garlic salt. So it's like garlic salt, mineral, and everything they need, kinda. And I think the garlic really helps keep flies off them. Like, it's not a cure-all, but it I've seen cows a lot worse off. So that heifer right there is also calving, but in the meantime, she's been trying to steal this one's calf because she's all full of hormones and thinks it's hers. So there's been some strife. So hopefully things, looks like she's getting ready to drop one any minute now. She wants to go down, and at first we thought we were lucky, 2 calving at once, look at that. But it seems to have caused a bit of confusion. I managed to chase most of the others away just for the sake of less chaos, but we'll see what happens here. All right, she seems to have decided to go trucking off, and hopefully have her calf kind of over there, and forget that this one even exists because it's not her calf. Isn't that right, miss? Yeah, it's your calf. Yeah, it's your calf. Alright, calf is up, looking for a teat. I think it's gotten latched on at least once, but it keeps coming off. But they're doing good. Here's the other one. She's just calving right now. Hopefully everything goes well for her. I'll keep you updated. I gave her a bit of a hand there. And we had a nice red heifer calf. You okay? You breathing? Come on. Wake up. Gotta keep the rest of these clowns away. All right, Mama's up and licking her. So it's a little red heifer calf, and I ended up giving her a little bit of help just because she was pushing so hard. I think she would have done it on her own, but I was right there, so I helped. And we chased the rest of the herd back in the corral because they were just being chaotic. And this will give her a bit of privacy to get to know her calf and let the calf have a chance to get up and get going. Come on, little calf, you can get up. Okay. Oh. The mosquitoes are bad out here right now. Come on, little baby, get up. You can do it. Calf is up. Oh, and now he's down. But she was up. That's good.